What's going on? YouTube, Facebook, inside Tech by Techie Solutions, the Geek. And I'm here with a quick repair to show you exactly how I get down to business, what I do. And here's a client of mine. His name is Nell. This is his iPod Touch. I'll show you exactly how I get down. Just refacing the screen. And you're going to see how I transport this to this.
I'ma need you to touch it. Shit, do something. Do something. Can you just touch it? Or just kiss it? Do something. Do something.
Please, pretty please, I just wanna see you down on your pretty knees. Or maybe you could touch it, see where it leads. Go ahead, just beat it like you was Billie Jean. You grown and you sexy, following the theme. That coconut Roxy, that's all we really need. You in college now, so you too old to tease. I'm hoping you can polish like Pledge what I need. And I ain't being selfish, we can't call it greed. Cause I return the favor like we're playing to the screen. I'm moving too fast, cause just when I believe, you came and shut it down like Drake in the Dream.
So I need you to touch it. Or just kiss it. Shit, do something. Do something. Could you please touch it. Or kiss it. Shit, do something. Do something.
Yeah, she claiming that she didn't know how to kiss it like she's standing under mistletoe. My love game got you feeling so official though. I'll let you referee, just let your whistle blow. I'm never out of bounds, I'm on a higher ground. I'm never empty-handed, coming from out of town. The Comme des Garçons, the Christian Louboutin, the J brand jeans look like you drew them on. I don't deny it, baby, I just buy it. Once I get the mood right, maybe you should try it. Alas, I'm past all my past. I ran like the Flash and I saved the best for last.
Touch it. Or just kiss it. Do something. Do something.
See, we can take it slow, or we can take it there. I'm thinking lap dance, and you should take a chair. We'll both give a little, we'll just play it fair. You see this back and forth? For me it's kinda rare. Put our cards on the table, let's play truth or dare. Let your hair down, I don't have you pegged as a square. Just let loose as you ride in that ruthless. You my new girl, you allowed to give me gooseneck. We don't give a damn who's watching. Me slowing down, not an option. At a buck, hairs waving in the wind. You are such a champ, how you take it on the chin.
Just touch it. Or kiss it. Shit, do something. Do something. Would you please touch it? Could you please kiss it? Baby, do something. I need you to do something.